Namaste, welcome to Sri Paripurna Sanatana Ayurveda Hospital's YouTube channel. I am Inshira. So today we are talking about psychosomatic disorders and if your mental health is not proper, what all the issues are you going to face. So this is what we are talking about, and we have with us Dr. Sumaya from the Department of General Medicine. So Namaste.
Thank you. I'm Dr. Sumaya Ikra, working in the Department of Kaya Chikitsa at Sri Paripurna Sanatana Ayurveda Hospital. And I majorly specialize in psychiatric illnesses and majorly in all the mental illnesses that we address in recent days.
Yes. So not just physical health, and along with physical health, mental health is very important.
Yes.
So especially when it comes to women, what are the issues they are facing?
So majorly from my experience, I have worked on anxiety disorders. So with women, we see both cases of anxiety as well as depression, which is mostly associated with insomnia as well, which is like sleep disorder. So majorly with women, I have seen majorly housewives working or non-working housewives. So they face a kind of social stigma when they are stepping into other household, and adjustment. Majorly they face difficulty with adjustment issues and as well as social insecurities.
Yes. So if there are any problems at home, like financially, or there are any other issues at home happening, maybe it somehow affects their mental health.
Yeah,
there are chances that they go to depression. So how is it treated in Sri Paripurna Sanatana Ayurveda Hospital?
So majorly as we practice Ayurveda, we have specific set of treatments. One is Panchakarma therapies. So in cases of depression as well as anxiety or insomnia, we majorly use treatments such as Shirodhara, we have Shirotalam, we have Nasya. So these three are major procedures that we practice for psychiatric illnesses. And coming to medicines, we have a set of medicines such as Medhya Dravyas, which not only promote the intellect, they also promote a sense of positivity in the person. And next, lastly, we treat with therapy or counseling.
Okay. So if at all you're treating using Panchakarma, how long they have to stay in Sri Paripurna Sanatana Ayurveda Hospital?
We majorly advise at least a course of 7 to 10 days.
Okay.
So the procedure that we advise goes for 7 days. So pre-procedure and post-procedure, we have a set of counseling things that we address to the patient. So majorly 7 to 10 days is sufficient. So after that, we may have to call for follow-up sessions as well.
Okay. So now you told us what all treatments you can give when it comes to mental health and issues like that. But how effective is it in this hospital?
I would say it treats very well because when we go to allopathic hospitals, we have antidepressants which produce a sense of habituation. They start the medications and they are not able to quit them. So with Ayurveda, with Ayurvedic medicines and procedures in our hospital, I think it gives very good result and it is effective and safe as well for the patient.
Most of the women don't think about their mental health, but along with any physical problems, treating or addressing the mental health problems is also required.
Yeah.
So how do you explain that connection between physical health and mental health?
So coming to my department, Kaya Chikitsa, we study both about mind as well as body. So we study that mind and body are both interrelated. So any physical issues that you have in daily lives, such as any gastrointestinal issue, any gastritis issue, or any nervous issues. So all of those come to a root cause of any mental, like a root mental illness. So that is how with patient's history, we realize that the physical illnesses that they are facing come from a root issue that lies in their mental illnesses. So mainly we have to make sure we diagnose it well. So taking a prior patient history helps us diagnose it better. So after that, again, further counseling and treatments will help them get better.
Okay. So if at all they are already taking some other medicines, conventional medicines, so can they continue or they can stop after all this treatment, or how long does it take to stop?
We wouldn't advise it to discontinue as soon as they start their treatment. We would want them to monitor for a certain period of days and start our treatment, and as they get better with our treatment, we'll gradually reduce the medications. So after reducing the medications, we can add our medications which have lesser side effects. So those medications can be started, and it depends on patients to patients. So at least for 3 to 6 months, because mental illnesses go for years together, we advise patients to follow our treatment, our regimens for at least up to 6 months to have better results.
Yes. So you spoke about antidepressants. So when they are taking other conventional medicines, so if you want to tell them, like, give a message, like what other medicines can cause side effects, so what would you say about that?
Mainly they get addicted to these medicines. So specifically with mental illnesses, there is sleep disturbances issues. So with these medications, they get better sleep, but as they start reducing it or gradually reduce it by themselves, they will face issues with their sleep. So not just sleep, again related to appetite as well. They lose their appetite or they gain their appetite, which causes them again with their weight issues. So weight issues again related to metabolic disorders such as thyroid issues, hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, and even fertility issues. So all of these issues go with the side effects of the antidepressants majorly.
Okay. So now you will take a case history and you'll start treating them with Panchakarma or whatever the treatment is available in this hospital. But along with that, if they will have to stay for a week or 10 days or 14 days, what are all the facilities available in this hospital?
So coming from the major facility is the consultation. So we usually take a detailed consultation, and as I'm speaking about psychiatric illness, we make sure we assess them with certain scales. So with physical ailments, we have laboratory tests, but when it comes to psychiatric illnesses, we don't have laboratory tests that can diagnose the disease. So we have major scales as well as questionnaires which we ask the patient to fill out, or we assess them by ourselves, so that we get a detailed explanation about how severe their disease is. So after detailed consultation, we go them to advise for the therapies. So at least 7 to 10 days of therapy followed by medications. So we would recommend at least up to 15 days or 1 month's follow-up sessions, so that we can maintain a gradual set of medicines. And again, after 6 months, we can gradually reduce the medications as well.
Okay. So would you like to mention any particular issue which you have been treating at present?
Yeah, anxiety majorly in Bangalore, especially because of the corporate culture that we have. I see a lot of cases of anxiety in corporate sector.
Mm-hmm.
So they deal with again societal pressures as well as peer pressure, and coming to the overload of work as well as stress. All of that leads to anxiety disorders. So those are the major issues that I address.
Okay. So mental health, as in not just because of stress or not anxiety or not just heart problems, there are issues associated with other health issues. Like if they are taking any other medications, conventional medicines, through that maybe because of the side effect, they would have got any mental illness. So how is that treated?
So again, coming to a safer approach with Ayurveda, we have to gradually reduce the medication effect with withdrawal. So again, gradual withdrawal of those medicines followed by our medicines.
Mm-hmm.
So as I mentioned earlier, the major dravyas that we practice, we have drugs like Ashwagandha, Brahmi, Mandukaparni. So all of these are major drugs that we use so that we improve the patient's willpower as well as patient's. It generally creates a positive mindset in a patient. So that is why we are targeting the patient as well as the disease. So again, with the counseling as well, we have to make sure they follow the lifestyle regimens with yoga and meditation. So all in all together, it helps them get better soon.
Yes. Thank you so much for letting us know how it works in Paripurna Sanatana Ayurveda Hospital. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So yes, mental health is the key factor for happiness, and how your mental health is maintained and how mental illness is cured here in Sri Paripurna Sanatana Ayurveda Hospital was our discussion today. Hope you all liked it, and for more information, keep watching this YouTube channel. Namaste.